Let's continue now with page 3 of the Kavanah Prayer modules with our sample demonstration of Yotser Or. On page 3, the students have their first introduction to the Hebrew and English text of the prayer. This first introduction to the Hebrew text of the prayer is color-coded by phrase. There are different ways to use these colors to help introduce the text to your students. We're going to try and demonstrate some of them now with Dani and Rachel, our new helpers. Technique number 1. The teacher can read a color, a phrase, and have the students repeat. We are going to use line 3 of the prayer to demonstrate this and the other techniques. Here we go. Hameir la'aretz,
Hameir la'aretz,
V'ladarim aleha berachamim,
V'ladarim aleha berachamim,
Uvtuvo mechadesh.
Uvtuvo mechadesh.
Technique number 2. A student or a group of students can read until the color changes, and then the next student can take over.
Hameir la'aretz,
V'ladarim aleha berachamim,
Uvtuvo mechadesh.
Technique number 3. The teacher can call out a line number, a color, and a student's name to read. For example, Rachel, line 3, green.
V'ladarim aleha berachamim.
Good job, Rachel. Dani, line 3, first blue.
Hameir la'aretz.
Good job, Dani. Great. On page 4, your students will study the key phrases and the key vocabulary of the prayer. Drill the key phrases with them in Hebrew and in English. Repeat them over and over and have them repeat them back to you until they can say the Hebrew smoothly and they can repeat the translation of those key phrases by heart. You can even have a contest to see which small group can recite these phrases in Hebrew and in English first, by heart, and quickest. Now divide them into partners and have them drill the key words with each other. First, one can recite the Hebrew words, with the other responding with the English translations. Then the other can recite the English words, with the first responding with the Hebrew translations. Then one can close their module and try and do it by heart. They can spend 15-20 minutes easily drilling each other on these words. And then you, the teacher, can drill the entire class, ask individual students questions about words and their translations. You can also print flashcards out of the Teacher Center at kavanahcorner.com and use them to help you teach the words.